The Australian Defence Force on Wednesday received the first 3 new UH-60M Black Hawk helicopters. The first 3 of a planned fleet of 40 UH-60M Black Hawks arrived recently in Sydney on board 2 US Air Force C-17A Globemasters, the Australian Defence Department said on Twitter. Citing from the Defence blog website, as noted by the department, the Black Hawks will undergo a short period of testing before they are ready to commence flying operations later this year. The multi-mission helicopters, designed and manufactured by Sikorsky, are expected to replace Australia's current non-Black Hawk multi-role helicopter fleet with a more reliable and proven system. The Black Hawk is unmatched for durability, survivability, multi-role versatility, affordability and interoperability, and has proven to be a dependable battlefield and special forces aviation asset for Australia and 34 other countries around the globe.